Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to drop a table. Here we have two small practices. Drop the following tables: emp underscore copy, dept underscore copy. So we can use drop table emp underscore copy and run the statement. As we can see, table emp underscore copy drop. The structure of the table as well as the data will be moved to the recycle bin. The second table, which is dept underscore copy, drop table dept underscore copy, and then run the statement. As we can see, table dept underscore copy drop. The second practice here, drop the following tables: emp underscore new to dept student instructor using purge keyword. So we can drop table emp underscore new purge. Purge means we'll permanently drop the table. The table will not move to the recycle bin, so you cannot restore the table from the recycle bin if you use purge keyword. Table emp underscore new dropped. We want also dept table and run the statement. We want also student, run the statement, and the last table, which is instructor, and then run this statement. So in this practice we learn how to drop a table using drop table statement. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.